Well, here they are. Stiles Family Farm English Shepherd Puppies, 2018. We have 7 puppies this year from Honey and Tug, and we are going to introduce them to you today. So right here, first we have Laura. She is one of our tricolors. This is a female, and we tell her from the rest because she has a white blaze that goes up on her side here, okay? She looks really similar to the other tricolor, but that's how we tell them apart. Okay, and that's a female. This one right here, actually, oh, this is the other tricolor. This is Carrie. And you can see that her white spot on the top is a little more rounded, but she's another tricolor. Next we have Charles. He's a male, black and white. And then over here, this sleepy bunch, this one right here is Sparrow. She's a female, black and white, actually mostly black. And she just has a tiny bit of a white collar that comes around up on the other side, but other than that, she's mostly black. This one right here is Mary. She's a female, black and white. And then beside her is Carolyn, another female, black and white. And she has one black leg on the front and the other one is white. And then this guy right here is our other male of the bunch. This is Jack. Jack is black and white. He has a white blaze that goes up across the top of his head. That's how we tell him from the rest. And he is black and white. Puppies are all doing very well, nursing well, doing lots of sleeping still. So if you have any questions, you can get a hold of us at stilesfamilyfarm.com. And keep an eye out for more videos as the puppies progress and start growing and the fun continues. Thank you for watching.